Upcycling furniture that may have otherwise been destined for landfill is a great sustainable way to style your home and save money. With a little Feast Watson, we'll show you just how easy it is to refresh your bedside tables. But first, let's take a look at what you'll need. Feast Watson Timber Floor Wax, Feast Watson Timber Floor Paint tinted to a colour of your choice. We're using White Shine, a paintbrush, a cloth, electrical sander and some sanding sheets, a sanding block, intergrain timber stripper, a paint scraper, a flat blade stirrer, a small roller tray and roller, some painter's tape, and your safety gear. Now that we have everything that we need, let's begin. If your bedside tables are already coated in varnish, you'll need to use intergrain timber stripper to remove it. Get your safety gear on and apply a thick layer using a brush and allow 15 to 20 minutes for it to penetrate the coating. Remove with the scraper and ensure to work in the direction of the grain. Using an electric sander, sand back the surface to expose the raw timber grain and finish by wiping off any dust with a clean cloth. For our bedside tables, we're going for an exposed timber top look and painting the rest in a neutral white colour. For the top, apply Feast Watson Timber Floor Wax using a brush. Don't be fooled by the name. Our timber floor wax is also suitable for furniture due to its hard-wearing finish that will enhance the timber's natural beauty. Once the top is dried, mask it off using painter's tape in preparation for painting with Feast Watson's Timber Floor Paint. This will give your bedside tables a lovely satin finish. Thoroughly stir and apply with a brush or roller, allowing 2 hours to dry before applying a second coat. The bold colour is hard-wearing and washing up is easy due to its water-based formula. And that's it. With a little Feast Watson Timber Floor Wax and Timber Floor Paint, your bedside tables will be refreshed and looking great.